Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to delete a blank page in Word. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Now, for example, I want to delete this page number 1. Click on, double click on with your mouse in the middle of the page. Now, press Ctrl plus G, here select page and type here backslash page. Now click on go to and click on close. Now press delete button from your keyboard. Now as you can see, the page is deleted. So that's how you can delete blank page on MS Word. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.